Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your BMW M4 key battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. It's important to have a clean, well-lit area to work in. Familiarize yourself with the key fob's design before you begin. This will help ensure a smooth and easy battery replacement process. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small release button on the side of your BMW M4 key. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. With the key blade removed, you'll see a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently pry the two halves of the casing apart. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really supports the channel. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It'll make your ride smell amazing. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This ensures you install the new one correctly. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery from its slot. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign facing upwards. It should fit snugly. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Make sure all the edges match up perfectly. Gently press the halves together until you hear them click securely into place, indicating a proper seal. Finally, reinsert the emergency key blade. Test all the key's functions like locking and unlocking to ensure everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.